Let's talk about note-taking paper. You can really use just about anything you want to take notes on. I just have a blank piece of paper. You could also use a piece of lined paper from a spiral notebook, any sort of thing that you want. What we're going to do is we're going to be taking 4 sections. We're going to be making this into 4 sections because I would like to focus on 4 specific things about penguins. So if you can take your piece of paper, it needs to be folded into 4 sections. So the first section, you just take one side of your paper and fold it straight to the other side. Give it a crease. And you're going to turn it and fold it again. Another thing you could do is you can open it up, and instead of folding on this line, you're going to want to turn it and fold going the other way. You might want to get a parent to help with this part. But either way, once you open it, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Go ahead and pause this video until you have your paper folded. Once you have your 4 sections, I would like to focus on what penguins look like. So we're going to write up here at the top, looks. And I like to put a little cloud around it, or you can put it, underline it, looks. So we're just going to be taking notes. And when we take notes, we're not even going to write real sentences. We're just going to write different words about what a penguin looks like. Then, over here on this next side, I am curious about what penguins eat. We know all animals need to be able to eat to survive. So what are things that penguins eat? And so in this section, we'll just be taking notes, making a list of what penguins eat. Where do penguins live? And if you watched the last video, you might already know some places that penguins live. So we will be making notes here about where penguins live. And finally, I like to add how penguins act. So this section, we can write things down that they do. What are specific things that penguins do? How do they walk? How do they swim? How do they fly? Wait a second. I don't think they can fly. So all different things that penguins can do. Make sure that you pause the video now in order to write all of these words down. This is going to be our note-taking paper. And on the next video, we are going to be taking notes together about penguins.